So dispersion is a phenomenon which happens when white ray of light passes through a prism and it splits into all seven colors.
Okay. Why do we get all seven colors?
So because white light is a combination of seven colors, sir.
Okay.
And when you
What?
pass it through a prism, the velocity of each of them changes, and then hence you can see all the seven colors.
Okay. Why do we? What is the reason for it? Getting the seven colors. Why not all the colors are mixed up and got the only one color?
So because when you pass white light through a prism, you split the colors into seven different colors. Like the
No, that is
velocity,
that reason I am asking.
yes, so mu is equal to 1 by lambda, so we proportional to 1 by lambda, and it says refraction, then the the refractive index changes, the wavelength also changes.
Okay. Wavelength changes. Refractive index. What is the reason? Wavelength of the different colors have
Different wavelengths.
very good. So the speed of the each color changes. What about frequency?
So frequency also changes. Frequency is constant, sir. Only
So
wavelength changes.
okay, why do we get red color less deviate?
So
And
because red color has the longest wavelength and deviation is less for more wavelength.
very good. And what about yellow? Which is the median color? Middle color.
Uh, Green, sir.
Yellow.
Okay, sir.
Okay. What is the pattern? Name. How to remember that seven colors?
With gear, sir.
GR. From down to okay. See now, this diagram now I will show you in animation figure, or may I draw and show you?
Sir, can you draw and choose?
Okay. Here itself may I draw? I'll try.
Yes, sir.
See, first when you want to draw now, you should keep like this, right? I will try because this is a board always problematic. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Ink I have taken. I think. What is this? It is ink only. Red color I will take. Okay.
Sir, I can't see the
Oh,
presentation.
screen you want. Same. Now you can see.
Yes, sir.
First you have to take 3 centimeters of prism. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And equilateral or 4 centimeter. If the place is more, you can take 4 centimeter. Okay. One is like this, right? Other one is like this, right. Rough figure only I am drawing. Okay. Then you take one above of you put a one point here and take a ray like this. This is incident. Immediately draw a normal. What is this angle of incidence? Okay. Then
Yes, sir.
it's supposed to go like this, but it will bend. Here one point has come. This point is again refracting. Draw a normal here also. When you draw normal here, again it will be I. Here it is R1. Here inside that we can take it as R2. R1, R2. Then it will be bent like this. Fine. So the ray which is going this, what is the angle to this normal? Normal is E. What is I? You immediately tell me what is I?
Angle of incidence.
What is R1? What
Angle
is
of
R2?
refraction. Sorry,
R
yeah.
other side refraction angle. What is E?
Angle of
Emergent.
emergence.
Okay. This angle is what? Incident ray extended, and this ray is also extended. So there is an angle will come. That angle is delta. What do you mean by delta? Delta is, tell me, deviation angle. Angle of deviation. Angle of deviation. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Figure is all right. I am not able to draw a perfect figure, but you understood. Where you went wrong, may I say? Because your normals you have not drawn properly, and deviation angle not drawn. You see how nicely drawn here. See, I is drawn, R1 is shown properly, R2 shown, E is shown, and normals are dotted lines, and it is extended. This extended part is delta. The delta is angle of deviation. Okay? Understood?
Yes, sir.
So, can you draw now? You in perfect figure.
Yes, sir.
Okay, which I have shown you. Is it understood, or may I draw in hydro board?
I understood, sir.
Very good. This question is coming every year, okay? And they
Yes.
will ask, and this ray diagram, they are giving you 1.5 mark label diagram. Derivation only 1.5 mark. So diagram, if you don't draw properly, you will lose the marks. And your previous diagram, whatever you have drawn, that is just it is half mark, or at the most 1 mark you will get. So properly you should draw. Ray optics itself is the diagram based content. Take time, don't worry. I want to see perfect. And also write what is I, what is R1, what is R2, what is E, what is ABC. ABC is a triangular prism. Light is coming and falling on AB. After that, it will take a refraction through AB. Then again, when it is refracted ray comes, reach to the AC surface, it once again it will refract. 2 times refraction is taking place. When you are taking I and inside angles R1, R2 and E, then you will get a proper figure. When you extend the incident angle, incident ray and emergent ray, they will be going to meet at a point. That point is what is the name is given? M. This is the M. This is the N. This is the P. This is the R. This is A, B, C.
Done, sir.
Okay, show me.
Yes, sir.
So, little bit down. Okay. Little bit close. R1, R2. Better than earlier. Good. PQR you are written? Yes. Very good, very good. R1, R2 are the images. Now let's start the derivation.
Yes, sir.
Derivation will you do? I have to explain once and you will do later.
So I'll do later, sir. Can you explain once?
Okay, right. Carefully note down in the book what are the points I will tell. In textbook itself you
Yes,
can
sir.
note down with pencil or something. Okay? Are you ready to note?
Yes, sir.
See, in a quadrilateral, what is the quadrilateral here? A, Q, N, R. Correct? A, Q, N, R. Right? Two of the triangles. Vertices. How many? How many right angles are there in this? A, Q, and one right angle. A, R, and another right angle. Okay?
Yes, sir.
You understood? Okay. Then next here, in quadrilateral, opposite angle, sum of the opposite angles are 180. See this. This is the first equation you mark. In your book itself, you can mark with pen or pencil. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
From the QNR. QNR means this. Q N. You understood first one?
Yes, sir.
What is the rule used here in one? This is the rule.
Yes, sir. Angle of triangles. So quadrilaterals, yes, sir.
Yeah. Two right angles are there. One is angle. Sum of the other angles of the triangle is 180. Which are other angles? Angle A and QNR. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Then in triangle QNR, what you will get? Sum of the triangle. Q means R1, N means 90. Fine.
Sir, I have to copy it down or I'll
No,
write down
you
with
don't
notes?
copy it. You have to do without seeing. I'm
Yes, sir.
explaining. You say yes, I will go next. Okay?
Done, sir. Okay, go next.
Yeah,
Yes,
next
sir.
third equation this. Because you know that what you will get? R1 plus R2. Comparing the two equations. Because right sides are equal 180, 180. Left side is also equal, na? So QNR will get cancelled. You will get third equation. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here again after third equation you mark delta. What is delta here? Delta is exterior angle of a triangle. Which triangle you will take here? You tell me in the figure. Delta is outside. That is exterior angle of the triangle. Fine.
Yes, sir.
So which angles you will take? Immediately tell me. Exterior angle is equal to sum of the interior angles of triangle. Which angles you will take it? Name it quickly. This delta is equal to which triangle you will take?
Delta is equal to QMR.
Q M R.
QMR.
What man? How delta is equal to QMR? What is the condition? On which condition you are telling?
180 minus QMR.
Huh?
180 minus angle QMR.
No, this 180 minus delta you are taking. No,
Yes, sir.
what I am
Okay,
saying,
R1 plus R2, sir.
R1 plus R2.
180 minus R1.
No, my dear. Which triangle you are taking? I am taking triangle of MQR. I have given one more hint. MQR I am taken. MQR. In MQR, delta is exterior angle. Which angles are interior angles? Tell me quickly. Angle?
Sir, I MQR
Very good. MQR.
angle QMR
Angle M.
angle MRQ
Very good. Is equal to
delta.
why? Delta is
Exterior angle.
of a triangle. Okay? Right. What is MQR? This angle. How much you tell me? I minus R1, correct?
Yes, sir.
And MRQ, this angle. Plus, tell me, plus,
Plus E minus R2.
very good, is equal to delta. That is only written
Yes.
here, you see. Very simple. This is understood. Fourth one.
Yes, sir.
Then what if you open it, what you will get? I plus E is equal to minus of R1 plus R2 bracket.
Yes, sir.
So fifth one is clear. When you open this, what you
Yes,
will
sir.
get? Delta is equal to I minus R1 plus E minus R2. So you will get here I plus E 1 plus I plus E 1 plus minus if I take R1 plus R2 will come. See, instead of R1 plus R2, what you can write? From third equation. Okay, this is from third equation. Fourth will become this. This is your fifth equation. You mark it.
Yes.
May I go next?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now you read here what is written.
Thus, angle of deviation depends on the angle of incidence. A plot between angle of deviation and angle of incidence is shown in figure 9.22. We can see that in general, any given value of delta except for I is equal to E corresponds with two values, I and hence of E. This is in fact expected from symmetry of I and E, equation 9.35. That is, delta remains the same if I and E are interchanged.
Very good. Then read.
Yes, sir. Physically, this is related to the fact that the path of the ray in figure 9.2.1 can be traced back, resulting in the same angle of deviation. At the minimum deviation dm, the refracted ray inside the prism becomes parallel to its base. We have delta is equal to dm, I is equal to E, which implies that R1 is equal to R2, 2R is equal to A, or R is equal to A by 2.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
So, and what is angle of minimum deviation? If anyone asks, what is your definition?
Sir?
Question is clear?
No, sir, can you repeat again?
If in the exam
Yes, sir.
What is minimum deviation? If it is asked, what you will write?
Sir, minimum deviation is when angle of incidence is equal to angle of E. E is angle of. Sir, I forgot what E is, sir.
E is emergent angle.
Yes, angle of incidence is equal to angle of emergence, which makes the formula for angle of minimum deviation as epsilon is equal, sorry, mu is equal to sine delta plus a by 2 by sine a by 2.
Okay. It is the angle made in prism at which the incident angle is equal to emergent angle and R1 equal to R2. From the graph, we can see that for every angle of incidence, right, there is two. For angle of deviation, there are two angle of incidence. Okay, for one value that will be certain minimum in the graph, that is called angle of minimum deviation. What are the conditions of angle of minimum deviation?
Sir, angle of incidence is equal to angle of emergence.
And another condition?
R1 is equal to R2.
Another condition?
And the angle of deviation should be minimum.
Another condition?
That's all, sir.
You listen carefully. Another condition is that refracted ray parallel to the base. When you will get R1, R2 equal, when this two are equal means this QR is parallel to base. What you have to write here?
Yes, sir.
At minimum deviation, anything can be asked. QR is parallel to BC. You know this much who will explain you in the school? Tell me. Will they do this?
No, sir.
Then you says you know it. See, finishing syllabus is for me it will take hardly 15 to 20 days. But what is the use? Later the problem will lies at the same place. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Going this much deep is important or not?
It's important, sir.
Okay. Now one equation you understood, two equation you understood, three equation you understood, fourth equation you understood, fifth one you understood. Now condition what you have to take at a minimum deviation, that is angle of deviation is minimum, for which I equal to E and R1 equal to R2. Now the fifth equation what will happen? Fifth equation I equal to E means E may put as I only because I and E are same. What will happen fifth equation? Here fifth equation will become delta is equal to, tell me, from fifth equation.
Yes, sir. From fifth equation, we get delta is equal to 2 minus.
Delta M can be
Delta
written
is
as
equal to minus
dm.
2 minus
dm equal to I plus
to I
E,
minus A.
I plus I minus A. So I
Yes,
plus
sir.
I 2A, 2I minus A.
Yes, sir.
So then dm plus A is equal to 2I. Therefore I is equal to what you will get? A plus dm by 2. A plus dm by 2. What is dm?
Sir, angle of minimum deviation.
Very good. Okay, this you understood? This is written here.
Yes, sir.
This is clear. This is your which equation? This equation is sixth one. These conditions are sixth one. This is seventh one. Okay, eighth one. What is R? From which where is R? R equation is here. Third equation. From third equation, what will happen? R1 is equal to R. That is equal to R. So R plus R how much? A. So R 2R is equal to. So R1 plus R2 is equal to A. This is third equation. Fine. So according to condition,
Yes, sir.
R1 is R, R2 is also R, both are equal. I put as R, and A is angle of prism. So R plus R 2R, which is equal to A by A. R is equal to what will happen? A by 2. So now you got it angle I. This is your which equation I can say? Seventh over. This is seventh equation. This is eighth equation. Seventh equation. This is the eighth equation. But what is your angle of what is refractive index? N to 1. N to 1 is
Yes.
refractive index of the glass with respect to air, which is equal to sin I by sin R. Correct? What is
Yes, sir.
sin I? Sin, tell me, A plus dm by
Sir, sin A dm by
I
2
dm by 2
by A by
bracket
2 by
sin A
sin A
by
by 2.
2. Fine. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Now you tell me. So much explanation is required. You said you know it.
No, sir, I understood like some small parts I'd forgotten.
Small
That's it.
parts only the marks will go, my dear.
Yes, sir.
Here your CBSE marks is counted in your entrance exam. You want to do engineering or not? If you want to
I
do
want to.
engineering, you should do it properly your CBSE exam. That's why I don't do engineering teaching. It will be lot of headache. CBSE means I will do. Textbook teaching means this way. You like it, my teaching?
Yes, sir.
This much time it will take you. See, 45 minutes I have taken for this derivation. And you are saying you know it and diagram wrong. Then derivation, so many steps are there. Sixth, seven, eight. This last one is ninth step. Now let us go for 10th step. This is, you know it, this is when angles are small, their angles are small, then sine will be eliminated, you will get this. At least you derive and show me this one, this part, how you got it. This part, angle of dm equation.
Yes, sir. But sir, like from the above part we can derive also directly from the above equation.
Which above equation?
2 2 will get, so 2 2 will get cancelled.
Okay.
And then you take cross multiplied and then subtract a on both sides. You get n21a minus a and take a common, you get a into n21 minus 1.
That is only, that's all, correct.
Yes, sir.
But you understood this step which I am talking, this step.
Yes, sir.
How?
Sir,
Tell me why. Why
so
sine is eliminated?
because for very small angle sin theta is equal to theta.
Very good. That's all. So you can take screenshots wherever you want. You want to derive now or may I skip?
We can skip sir.
Then take screenshot now. Again we will
Yes,
write.
sir. Yes, 1 second.
This one screenshot you take. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equations will come in one screenshot. Then again you can take this graph screenshot. Graph anyway you will be getting. So 6 and 7, this one, minimum deviation explanation. This part you take screenshot. 6 and 7. Then take this 7th and 8th equation, one screenshot. And this is the 9th equation. What is 10th equation? You write here 10th equation. How many equations you got it now? 10 equations. Fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me,
Answer.
optical instrument, shall I go?
Yes, sir.
You know it, using these lenses we can construct the devices to see the small objects which cannot be seen directly from naked eye. Okay, that we call it as microscope. Microscope is a device which is used to see the very small object which cannot be seen directly. It is just like a magnifying glass. That is called microscope. Other one is telescope. Telescope is a device which is used to see far away objects clearly using the lens combination. Introduction is enough?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then next you can see simple microscope diagram. Okay, once you see, and this diagram you know it, when it will be, this diagram will come, you just give me according to the characteristics.
Sir, when it is between 2F and F, sir.
My dear, please think over and tell me correct. Don't simply give
Yes, sir.
wrong answer.
Yes, sir. Uh, okay, sir. When you have myopia, like you want it as a disease, sir.
Myopia, which
Should I tell
lens
it
is
to
used?
concave lens, sir?
But here convex is there, na?
Okay, convex hypermetropia, sir.
Simply I am asking the ray diagram. There are 6 ray diagram you have to remember, 5. Their characteristics you have to remember. One of the characteristics is this one, when the object is kept between. Which between it is?
Uh, Sir, when it's kept at the near point, so you can read it only when it's kept near the near point.
It is kept between F1 and optical center. The image come virtual in convex lens. When the image come virtually, an object is kept between.
Sir, center of curvature and near point.
Why near point? What is near point?
Side.
No, wrong you are saying. I am not talking about eye at all. I am talking about simple microscope.
Okay, sir.
That simple microscope is the device when the object is kept very close to the lens. Which lens?
Yes,
convex lens. That means
convex lens.
the object is kept between focus and optical center. If an object is kept at a focus, where is the image is formed?
At infinity.
If it is close to the lens, where is the image is formed? Between f
So
and
beyond, like between f and 2f.
between f and 2f is different, man. F and 2f is beyond f you are talking. You forgot actually this ray diagram. That's why practice is required. Without practice, physics you can't learn. See, I am talking about this one. I am talking about this one. F is this side, F is this side. Where is the object is kept?
Yes.
You are talking F1 and F2 you are taking. F1 and 2F1 you are taking. Here 2F1.
Yes,
Correct?
sir.
But where is the object is kept in our simple microscope? You have seen, na? It is kept between F and O. Here.
Yes, sir.
You know that 5 ray diagrams I have drawn, and I am doubtful that you are not very clear in ray diagrams still. If you are not clear, you are going to lose the 3 marks in your CBSE. 3 marks is the heavy marks.
Yes, sir.
How many how many how many ray diagrams are there?
7, sir.
7. Tell me one by one. Object is at
So between
infinity.
f and optical center, between 2f and f, and beyond 2f, and at f and at 2f.
5 only, na? 7 you are telling. Where are the 7?
Uh, so from infinity,
Infinity is 1. Second one
between
beyond
f and
2f.
yes, sir, and
Third
then
between
at
f and
2f.
2f.
Yes,
Fourth at f. Fifth is between
yes,
f and o.
yes, sir.
Then 7 how it has? You know that all ray diagrams?
The
Uh,
at 2f one is there, sir.
it is already taught in 10th class. That's why those things are not given here.
Yes, sir.
If you want, I will show you those diagrams. Without the diagram, I can't move anywhere because the subject is such a depth. You need basics. The basics are not there. You can't do anything in your entrance exam. Okay, right? Basics you make it proper. Such a big problem you have done, and you don't know the ray diagram. I'm doubtful. You are by adding the things still. See, okay, this is the one diagram. When the object is f and o, don't tell f and to f. It will be f is here, o is here.
Yes, sir.
Understood? Where is f? This is f. This is o. So where is the object? This is the object, and 2f is here. 2f is here. So when the object is between f and o, this is the object. A dash, B dash, AB is the object. This is the image. A dash, B dash. This is the this image is virtual. Please remember this question is asking every time.
Yes,
Virtual
sir.
image. It is not obtained on the screen. It will be enlarged. This is called magnifying lens. Magnifying lens. Magnifying lens, you know, which you use to see.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, you tell me. So, what is given here next? You understood now?
Yes, sir.
What is theta 0? You tell me. Theta 0 is what? What is the name of it?
Uh,
Theta is called angular displacement of the object. Theta 0 means O.
yes, sir.
What is that? O. O indicates what is
Yes,
the suffix O? O is called object. So what is the angle of the
yes,
O? This. Then another figure. Now you tell me this one. This figure. Two figures are there, two conditions are there. This is the first condition. Object is at between F and O. This is the second condition. Object is where it is kept. Object.
so infinity. Sorry, between at F. Sorry.
Very good. At F. Where is the image is formed? At infinity. At infinity,
Yes,
either side, either this side, that side, are same only. Infinity means no image. It will be highly enlarged. You can see. Fine. What is
yes,
theta I? Angular displacement of image,
yes, sir.
because H and image both are same angles. Okay, now coming to derivation. This is the derivation.
Yes, sir.
Tell me how it has come. There's steps you tell me.
Sir, magnification is v by u, that's already there, sir. And u is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by f, because 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. And if you take 1 by v the other hand side from length formula, you will get 1 by u as 1 by v minus 1 by f. So in the end, yeah, if you multiply v and v inside, you get v will get cancelled, you'll get 1, you'll get 1 minus v by f.
How this minus become plus d?
So because if you have 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f, if you take v to right hand side, you'll get minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by v. And now and then if you take minus sign common, you get 1 by u is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by f.
This I understood. V is
Yes, sir.
taken 1 by u, you are written 1 by v minus 1 by f.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then when v submitted, you will get 1 minus this. Okay. I am talking about this.
So d is magnitude, no, sir. So magnitude is positive.
You forget about magnitude. you, still you are having your school teacher only. Your school teachers are really foolish fellows. How they will say you can take whenever you want minus, you cancel it. Whenever you want minus, you put it. What is this nonsense going on? Are they really teaching?
Yes, sir.
If they are teaching,
So it's
why
written, it's written in NCERT also, sir.
NCERT where it is written magnitude?
So the sentence
Now
below formula.
consider the sign convention. V is negative and equal to the
Yes, sir.
magnitude of D. You are not telling
Yes, sir.
negative. Why it is negative? I am asking. Why
Also because
we?
it's on left hand side. Image is from left hand side.
That you have to tell. Why you are telling
Okay.
magnitude to D? First you have to tell that sentence.
Yes, sir.
You earlier also you said same thing. That's why really they are working very hard. I know in your Narayana they are working very hard. The problem is without teaching basics they are just going running. That is the problem. If they teach the basics, it would have very nice college.
Yes,
Every
sir.
year this problem is there. Basics they don't teach and they will ask one more teacher to take care of basics. You understood? Tell me why minus will become plus? Because
Okay.
this condition, why? Because left side. Now you tell me what is capital D? Why V is equal to capital D? What is the significance of D? If you know, you say, otherwise, I will explain you.
Sorry, can you explain, sir?
Yeah, that is called minimum di- distance of distinct vision. This you have learned in your class 10th. Okay? Class 10th, if
Yes, sir.
you get the time now, better you read that light chapter. Anytime you just refer, then you will get lot of basics there. And ray diagrams, if you are having 10th class book, NCRT 10th class book is with you,
No, sir.
you may be having na, where you are thrown out.
Yes, I gave it to my sibling. I gave it to
Uh,
my cousins.
you just collect it for 1 or 2 days, just for half an hour, 1 hour.
Yes, I got one.
Okay, right.
I see online, sir.
Online you see ray diagrams are excellently explained there. Diagrams are given. If you have a doubt, I will explain that also. But the time is not there for you. So this D is distance of distinct vision. That says that every human eye can see the object at a certain distance clearly to nearby and far away. I think you might have got it now. What
Yes,
is the
sir.
minimum distance you can see with your direct eye? 25 centimeters. That 25 centimeters is named as capital D.
Yes, sir.
That is called DDV. Full form, what is DDV? Full form? Just now I told you.
Yes,
This
the minimum angle which you can see, sir. Like minimum distance which you can see.
I am asking full form of DDV because one question has come in entrance exam. What is the value of DDV? So that sometimes they will ask you full form of DDV means distance of distinct vision. Means the
Yes.
tell me
Distance of distinct vision.
very good. That is how much centimeter? 25 centimeter from eye. That is called minus sign. So fine.
Yes, sir.
If I want magnification 6, how much focal length I should take?
Uh, Magnification minus 6.
See, formula
Fo-
is here itself. M is equal to 1 plus D is 25 and F how much if I take 5 centimeter, what will
7
happen?
by 25 by 7.
Yeah, 1 plus 5, 6. Very simple. These are the questions
They
are
said
coming.
minus 6. Okay.
Okay, understood?
Sir, you said minus 6.
Which one? Ah, minus.
So for minus 6, I have to take minus 25 by 7, sir. You had asked for minus 10, that's why I said that, sir.
No, focal length is 5 centimeter, no?
No, so that time we had asked for magnification of minus 6. How much do you need focal length?
Ah, how much is required? Ah, then reverse you do it. Reverse you do it.
Minus 25 by 7.
Ah, okay. 6 you take plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 25 by f. So 25 by f is equal to what? 6 minus 6 minus 1. Hmm. Then what will you get? F is equal to what? 25 by 5. How much is the focal length? 5 centimeter. This is only you are asking or I am wrong?
Uh, no, sir, you said minus. Okay, no, nothing, sir.
Minus I said.
Yes, sir, minus 6, you said. So
No,
magnification
no.
minus 6.
No, sorry.
Yes,
That's
sir.
why maybe went wrong. Okay, sometimes na overconfidence will come like you.
Yes, sir.
Everyone is a human being, right? Teaching for running na sometime minus plus will come, but while doing you do it properly. Okay, what is the okay? One thing I would like to ask you how this one magnification has come for simple microscope 1 plus d by f.
Sir, my, sir, we did the derivation that day, sir. Minus
Hmm?
the derivation we had done, sir, that day.
That time correct. Okay, that same derivation.
Yes, sir.
Next, again one more magnification is giving. What is that? You just read out. Note that
Note
magnification
that m
is
is equal to h dash by h, where h is finite sized object and h dash is the size of the image. This is also the ratio of the angle subtended by the image to that subtended by the object. If object at D, for comfortable viewing, what what single lens simple what a single lens simple magnifier achieves is that it allows the object to be brought closer to the eye than D. We know that we will now find the magnification when the image is at infinity. In this case, we will have to obtain the angular magnification. Suppose the object is a height h, maximum angle it can subtend and clearly visible without lens is when it is at the near point. That is a distance d. The angle subtended is then given by tan theta naught is equal to h by d.
from the figure you can see object distance, angle object. H is what?
It's the height of object.
Okay. D is what?
Sir, the distance between the near point, 25 centimeters. Distance or distinct vision.
Object is where it is kept in this case.
Sir, object is kept 25 centimeters away.
Very good. So that again approximately equal to theta 0. Okay.
Ye-
Then when you submitted this H, if you submit it, what your next is this is clear, na?
Yes, sir.
Next you tell me this image. Find
We
the
note
angle
that
subtended by I by image
uh,
when the
yes, sir. When
object
the
is
object is at U, from the relation h dash by h is equal to m is equal to v by u, we have the angle subtended by the image tan theta is equal to h dash by minus v is equal to h by minus v into v by u is equal to h dash by minus u, which is approximately theta. When it is at u is equal to minus f, theta is equal to h by u.
okay. One minute.
Yes.
So that derivation, where is that gone? This one, I think. All right. So closely understand this. What actually I want to say? Angular magnification. What is the ratio for angular magnification? We need earlier we have taken linear magnification. So angular magnification means what you have to take? Angle made by image, angle made by object.
Yes, sir.
That is the formula. Okay. In this formula, which is equal to d by f, this derivation I need now. Can you work out and because you have told, you have seen already, will you do it on paper?
Yes, optical instruments are not done before, sir. So I don't
No,
know.
no, just now you said na answer. The same thing, can you remember and do? Theta I, how you has taken?
Yes, sir.
H dash by V. How this theta I has come? Theta I, where is it in the figure? You see carefully. I is this H dash by V. And again object angle, where is it? It is not there, object angle. Object angle is H dash by capital D. Correct? H dash by F.
Yes, sir.
This theta I means that is image angle. And object angle, wo. Where is it? Wo is this. Object is kept at angle H by D. Here what you have to take here, when the object is near point, that is distance of distinction, the angle subtended by H divided by capital D. You understood this, or I have to explain on the board with this diagram?
Sir, I understood, sir.
You draw and show me these diagrams.
Yes, sir.
For theta 0 and theta I, both the theta I is given already. Theta I is given. Where it is given theta I?
Theta zero is also given, sir.
Theta 0 where is it given? Theta 0
Yes,
is also. Okay, these diagrams, you are clear?
yes, sir.
Object is at D. So at that time theta 0 is H by D. And object is at infinity. So that time what you will get? Theta is equal to, theta I is equal to
Sine inverse H by
theta
sine
I
sine
is
inverse.
given derivation.
Okay,
Theta
yes, sir.
I. Where is it? Theta I, this. H dash by minus V. This you understood or not? If not understood, I will help you.
I understood, sir.
What is H dash?
The height of object. Sorry, height of image.
Okay. What is H?
Height of object.
Okay. Now this next equation, how it has come? This one. That is equal to H by minus V. V by U. What is this? How it has come?
So magnification is equal to H by H dash, and magnification is equal to V by U. So if you equate them and then if you take you take H dash on the other side, you get H dash is equal to H into V by U, and if you substitute the value of H dash, you get the same equations. So H dash by H is equal to V by U, you will get, sir.
This H dash you are taken. What is H dash?
Yes, sir. H dash is equal to
Yeah.
H
From
dash.
this equation, H
Yes,
dash
sir.
is
Yes.
equal to V by U. That is submitted. H V by U minus. So here VV is get cancelled. You will get finally this. How many types of simple? Now I am going to ask to check you. How many types of simple microscopes? How many types of simple microscope? What are the magnification formulas?
Yes, sir, I don't know, sir. This is the first time I'm doing optical instruments.
Now, just now I explained, there are two types. One
Okay.
is object is kept between the pole and focus. Second one is
Okay.
object kept at the focus. There is two types,
Okay.
and their
I
derivation
okay.
is their magnification formula is, first one is 1 plus d by f. Second one is simply d by f. Write and show me those things, those diagrams.
Yes, sir.
First diagram is which one? This diagram. Textbook you can open. This is the first diagram. For this, what is the formula for magnification?
So magnification equal to height of 1 minus d by f. 1 plus d by f.
Correct, very good. Magnification is 1 plus d by f. Correct. And for this second one, this is second one. What is magnification formula?
Sir, n is equal to 1 minus.
No, don't tell derivation. I am asking only formula to recollect.
Sir, v by u minus v by u.
Minus
Sir, plus v by u, sir.
plus dy
F.
f. What is the difference between this and that?
So there 1 plus d by f was there. Here
One is more. One is more.
yes, sir.
This is how to derive this derivation. On what basis it is derived? By taking how this is derived and how this is derived. This formula, how it is derived, on what basis? This formula is derived on what basis? What
Sir,
is
the
the
1 minus v by f formula. Sir,
no?
that is
This is derived based on linear magnification. Linear magnification means h dash by h, that is equal to v by u. This, based on this, it is derived. Correct? Now you tell me
yes.
second one how it is derived? D by f. This is on what basis they are derived? M is equal to what? There h dash by h. Here what they have taken? Think and tell. It is in front
V by
of
u.
you. No. D by. This is derived based on theta I upon theta O. Angular separation of image divided by angular separation of object. So, what is the difference in calling first one and second one? First one is called, I already written there. Second one is you have to tell. First one you will call linear magnification. Second one you will call, come on, you know, angular magnification.
Yes, sir.
Tell me first one. First one, what is the base we have
The
taken?
first one is h dash by h, sir.
That you tell me linear magnification. That is called linear magnification.
Real magnification.
In exam they will ask you
magnification.
these two 3 marks question. Okay, they will ask you define linear magnification, derive the expression for linear magnification of simple microscope. For that, what you have to write? Linear magnification definition, h dash by h, it's derived 1 plus d by f. Second question, what they will ask? Draw a diagram to derive the angular magnification. and write its equation. Write and derive, they will ask. Okay, Pranav,
Yes, sir.
are you happy to know all these things? Again, if I
Yes,
ask
sir.
you, don't say that I have not
Yes, sir.
done. You are done now.
Yes, sir.
You
Yes, sir.
will you draw and show all these things for your confidence purpose?
Right now, sir.
Right now only, because very important derivation I am going to show
Yes, sir.
now. Compound microscope, this one, this derivation. Then again, what is there? Telescope also there. This is what it is. Again, it is angular magnification. At image is at infinity. Then again, what is there? Compound microscope, telescope. This is one telescope. This is another telescope. There are two types of telescopes. Just quickly 5 minutes you do it. I'll take break. If you want, use your textbook.
Yes, sir.
Put it on your paper
Yes,
properly.
sir.
Okay, both the cases. I skipped
Yes, sir.
because that dispersion also I want, but that I will give you homework. 5 minutes I am taking break.
Yes, sir.
If you want, you can drink water
Yes,
and
sir.
come back.
Yes, sir.
Now if you want, you can take 5 minutes break.
Yes, sir. So till what time is the class today?
Your wish, how long you want to sit.
Sir, today anything is okay, sir.
Huh?
Today till any time is okay, sir.
All right, okay, sit. Learn the things now.
Yes, sir.
Take break.
Yes, sir.
ఆర్డర్ ఇచ్చేస్తుంది. If you are done, you show me.
Yes, sir.
May I take out this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, first place image is not shown. Okay, that is at focus. Okay, right. Next, first one. The second one, first one you are done. Okay, between F and 2F. Okay, this is okay. Derivation,
So derivation is not done, sir.
do it.
Yes, sir.
May I show you again?
Yes, sir.
First one is very simple, na? That second one diagram you have drawn. This is a second diagram figure. This is the first diagram you have done second. Very simple, I have shown you here. This is the derivation. Linear magnitude h dash by h, that is v by u. Okay. 1 by u submitted, v is taken common. Then you will get this d by f. You understood this?
Sir, can you explain once again?
Okay. See, linear magnification means what it is. This figure you have done in second case. First case, linear magnification is h dash by h, correct na? That is equal to v by u.
Yes, sir.
1 v is common. 1 by v. 1 by v is what you can write? Tell me. 1 by u. 1 by u you can write. Formula is there na? 1 by f equal to 1 by v
1 by v
minus
minus
1 by u. So you take this one other side. So it will become
Okay,
1 by
sir.
u
But
is equal to,
1 by v minus 1 by f.
yes, 1 by v minus 1 by f,
Okay, yes. Got it, got it,
right?
sir.
Then you will get,
And from there,
now show me,
you multiply v inside and then you'll get to v
yeah,
1 minus
yeah,
v by f.
yes,
And v is on the left hand side, so it's negative. But if you take d, it will become positive. So it's 1 plus d by f.
correct. Do it, see, now only I explained
Yes.
you didn't do. That means second case, this linear, this is a formula. Second case is here. So much written in the book. This is the second case. That is when the object is at focus. D by f. Angular and
It's a first derivation done.
first done. Second is angular magnification. Angular magnification formula is this: theta I upon theta 0. Theta I is how much? H by minus u.
Yes, sir.
Theta I h by f. How this h by f has come? I is, you got it, h by f, and O is, what is O? O is h by d.
Yes, sir.
D will come up. HH will get cancelled. You will get d by 1. This derivation I want.
Done, sir.
Show me.
Yes, sir.
How you got h by, this h or n? H by f into d by
Uh,
h.
d by h.
Where is the diagram for theta 0? Theta 0 diagram? Theta 0. Okay. Diagram for theta I? Okay. Theta I is h by, okay. 1 minute. Theta I, what you have taken? H divided by f. Where you are written h divided by f? Theta I. H divided by f. Okay, right. Good. Let's go for next one.
Yes, sir.
Now we are going to do now. What is the next next one? What is the subheading? Heading is not there. Compound microscope. This is called compound microscope. Okay. In compound microscope, how many lenses are there?
Sir, in compound microscope, 2 lenses are there, sir.
One is smaller aperture, smaller focal length, and bigger
What is the
aperture
aperture?
and bigger focal length.
So what is aperture?
Aperture means size of the lens.
Okay, sir.
One is smaller one, another one is bigger one. Okay. First one is
Yes, sir.
linear magnification, h dash by h. Second one is linear magnification, this a double dash by b double dash. So magnification will be this. My MO is h dash by h dash by o, linear magnification. L by f. What is L?
Yes, sir. Sir?
L is what is L? What is L here?
Sir,
L
I
is,
can't see the slides. Please.
oh, sorry, yo.
I can see a presentation, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
How many lenses are here? Two lenses.
Two lenses.
One is smaller, one smaller aperture. Means very small size. This is
Yes, sir.
bigger one. First one is linear magnification is taking place. That is, first one is what it is. First one is lens is called objective lens. Second lens is called eyepiece. So
Yes,
the
sir.
object is adjusted in such a way that it will form real image over here. If you keep the object between the f and 2f in front of the objective, real image is formed other side beyond 2f. This is adjusted exactly f. Okay, between f and e, then what will happen? Enlarged image is going to form at distance of distinct vision. So two magnifications are taking place. One is objective magnification, second one is eyepiece magnification. Objective magnification h dash by h. So that we will get as v by u. That is written, v by u is written, not written. Here, what is the formula for compound microscope? Product of magnification of the objective into magnification of eyepiece. Magnification of objective L by f. How this L by f has come? You have to understand. H dash. H dash is H dash by h is v by f0. V by f0 means v is this. This is called v.
Yes, sir.
That is approximately L. How much it is? L.
L.
And v by, what is that? V by
F.
E by F0. F0 means what it is? H. H dash by H is equal to L by F. F4. This is F4.
Yes, sir.
That is the first magnification. First magnification is what it is? M0 is equal to magnification of objective, which is equal to L upon F4. And eyepiece angular magnification, distance of distinction. This you will get here the same as the first case. So 1 plus d by o. M is equal to MO into MI. MO is H dash by H. H dash is also equal to V by U. V by U is here taken as L by F4. This is F4. Correct?
Yes, sir.
U will become F4. So you write here F4. And what is magnification of image? Magnification of image we have already derived in the above cases. This is kept
Yes,
at
sir.
F E. So that is what it is we have done. And image is forming at a distance of distinct vision. So that formula we know already, you can write directly Fe. So total magnification is equal to L by F0 into 1 plus D by Fe. This is a one case. Okay, you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Second case is different. Second case, what you have to do, if the intermediate image, that is image found by first lens, is kept at f focal length, image will form at infinity. So that time d by f4 will come. What you will get? Beta by plus d by f4. Angular magnification we have taken. First case is linear magnification. Second case is angular magnification. Angular magnification how much? D by Fe. This. And this is the linear magnification, L by F4.
Yes, sir.
Two derivations are there. So this is the one problem is also given example. How to solve. Then telescope will come. Now
Yes, sir.
both the cases you understood?
Yes, sir.
Second case what you have to do? First case is compound microscopes are two types. What is the first type? First type is this diagram which is shown. First type is image formed at distance of distinct vision. Image formed at D. That time this is a formula. And derivation you understood already.
Yes, sir.
This length is called approximately here V approximately equal to L. So that's why L by F0 will come. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Then next one is, or you can write simply V by U also correct. V by U also correct. And the second case is what it is, from year to year, second image is formed at distance of distinct vision. That formula we have already derived, no need to derive. Just remember and submit 1 plus d by f4. This is the first case. Second case is, what is the second case? Image formed at infinity. So in this case, V will be taken approximately L. So U is taken as F4. So you'll get first one again same formula, magnification is MO into MI. So MO is L by FO, same thing. And MI is what is the formula? D by F. This is the formula. This is the angular magnification. What is this? This is angular magnification. The above one is linear magnification.
Yes, sir. Sir, will they ask questions like why are they using two lenses or something, sir? Like, sir?
Why are they doing? To magnify the formed image. See here only one time in simple microscope, only single time magnification take place. But
Yes, sir.
here compound microscope two times. First lens is magnified. This is a small one. This is a bigger one. It is a real image. This real image act as a object for the eyepiece. So once again it will be magnified. So compound microscope has two lenses. First lens will get magnified and form the real image in between the two lenses, and that real image will be act as object for the eyepiece. Once again it will get magnified. That is why two lenses are used here to get more magnification, a, a large one. Anything
So, so if
to
you add more lenses, the magnification will
more you
increase.
can get, but
Okay.
in this much only the syllabus.
Yes.
More means again complicated. This itself is children are not understanding. If I introduce one more lens, it will be still get. See, your cell phone is very high magnification. There are multiple lenses. When you open it, your camera, that eyepiece, it will be more it will come. So now, first case you derive and show me now. Draw this diagram. Will you draw, or very complicated?
Sir, it's complicated, sir. But I'll
So
try, sir.
2 mark, 1.5 mark they are going to give. If you want, I will show you animation figure.
Yes, sir.
Here ray optics is there 2. Ray optics is there, ray optics 1 or ray optic 2. You can see how nicely done. I have sent already to you. This is over. This is over. Dispersion over. Angular dispersion power not there. Blue color of the sky, red color of the sky. It is not there. Huh? It is already you have studied in 10th class. Now compound microscope, astronomy, normal. So you understood this, how it is drawn you see. This is a, are you observing?
Yes, sir.
This is a equilateral prism. Ray goes like this. Draw the normal. Here incident angle. It is there with you. This animation figures you can check. This is a O, this is a deviation angle, then derivation. Okay, minimum. Here it is given the particular value of angular incidence, angular deviation of becomes minimum is called angle of this is the definition you have to remember. And
Sir, microscope, sir.
no, I am saying you revision
Okay, yes, sir, yes, sir.
because certain things you may not be catching now. Then it will
Yes,
help
sir.
you. This is over, this is over, this is all not there. This is dispersion you study from here. This is not there. Dispersive power is not there. Blue color and red color you have studied. Sky, why it is blue color?
Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. Scattering, sir.
Scattering, okay. And this one I told you. 1 figure, 2 figure, 3 figure. And this derivation I already taught you. And compound microscope you see. From here to here you take a 8 centimeter line. Here near to 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter one lens. Then again here to here 3, here to here 3, or 2 2 you can put 2 and 2, here to here 2 and 2. So first image, then put the object at AB between F0 and F4. Then you will get this. This is the image. This much you can draw.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. This is the real image. A, B is object, A dash, B dash is real image. Okay. That real image is again produced image, high image at this. So you will get how many images? First image is this, second image is this. First one is smaller image, second one is bigger image at distance of distinction. This one. So this is alpha and beta they are taken. Angular magnification. Okay, this is a U and L means length of this. Length of the telescope. Length of the telescope is the distance between the objective lens and eyepiece lens. Up to here clear?
Yes, sir.
Figure you can check once again. This is a very complicated figure. This is the one. 2 times, 3 times you practice. A dash. This will act as
Yes, sir.
image. Again it will go through focus. This extended distance of distinction you will get a object. This is all. 0 indicate object distance.
Yes, sir.
V0 indicate image distance of object. Okay. Then this one is distance of distinction from here to here. Then this is the length of the telescope. Sorry, microscope. Then for easy magnification, angular magnification is beta by alpha. Beta by alpha, A dash by B dash, D by V. So this you will get D will get cancelled, A dash by B dash. Again it is divided and multiplied A dash B dash. So you will get magnification. This I told you. Magnification is product of magnification eyepiece and object. Eyepiece is 1 minus D by F. This one. Okay. Magnification objective V by U. So you will get this. Which is easy, that you follow. Textbook, if you feel easy, you follow that. This is little lengthy. Here you have to write A dash B dash is multiplied and divided. So you will get these two magnifications. First magnification already we have done, this is the one, eyepiece. Second magnification, this is the one. So V0 by V is equal to length, then approximately L by F will come. L by F0 will come. 1 plus D by Fe. So here given U is F0, V is 0, then you will get this is the derivation shown in the book. They are very simple they have done because they already done it in the simple microscope. They don't want to do again. Here we are doing again. This is the first type of magnification. Second type is this. It is at infinity. At that time what you will get? This is the formula. Beta by alpha, then F0 by F. Here F0 by Fe D by F is there, no? D by F. This one is quite different. Don't do this. This you do from textbook only. Okay, this is telescope.
Yes, sir.
Telescope reverse. See, bigger aperture is objective, smaller aperture is eyepiece. In this reverse of the compound microscope. Here, these are the focal length of object. It is falling and forming image. This image is between Fe and PUE, pole of the lens. So you will get here virtual image. So virtual image is formed at D. Then formula will be this, alpha beta. taking that beta by alpha is angular magnification, beta by alpha, then you just with the help of triangles you will get this, then one will come plus f4 by fe minus f4 by fe. When you do it you will get this formula. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then another one, reflecting type. Reflecting type is this one. It is see, reflecting type telescope is this concave mirrors used. This is a plane mirror. Light here is eyepiece. When light falls, it will form a image in the mirror. That image in the plane mirror will be viewed with the eyepiece. So you will get very high image. This type of telescope is called Newtonian telescope. So this is also called Cassegrain. This is in the textbook they have given this. It has three advantages. One advantage is this. Resolving power is there or not in that? See, first advantage is here. First advantage is here. Second advantage is here. Second advantage is this. This is the second.
Sir, what is chromatic aberration?
Chromatic aberration means generally when you see with the lenses now,
Yes, sir.
the image is not clearly formed and color images will come. You might have observed also by spectacles also sometimes
Yes, sir. Blue
color
colors.
that is called chromatic aberration. That
Yes,
can
sir.
be removed using the parabolic mirrors. So three advantages are clear here.
Yes,
One
sir.
is one is chromatic aberration. Second is if parabolic surface is chosen, spherical aberration is also removed. Second one is mechanical support. So much less in the mirror, because if you make it bigger size of the lenses now, it is required a strong support, otherwise it will fall down and break. So mirrors are made on concrete also, just to only play surface you can see very small, so mechanical support is less. So mirror weights are less than the lenses. So what are the disadvantages? Here it is written. So focusing light is inside. Inside means here. So because of the this hole now, some light cannot be reached here. That is why this type of this is not there in the textbook, but this type of thing is nowadays we are having. Here what will happen?